cars and tools. Today I'm going to show you something a little bit different. I just got done doing a light restore on this older snap-on speeder wrench. This is an F4L. Snap-on date codes all their tools. They started doing so in about 1927, and this one is pretty old, probably a little hard to see, but this is from 1956. They still make the same tool today. This is an F4L. The new one I think is called the F4LB. You don't see these a lot anymore. Basically, these have been replaced with these. But even now, if you want to run in a nut or a bolt pretty quickly, you can use one of these. It's super quick. And after 75 years of service, this thing's in gorgeous shape. The handle was a little stuck, but I worked it free and put some tri-flow in there, and now it spins great and ready for another 75 years of service. You can see that back then they were a little bit more utilitarian. If you look at a modern snap-on, you can see the chrome is way thicker, way nicer, but there's an awful lot of similarities after 75 years. The handle is almost identical. This one has a 2024 date code on it. Probably a little hard to make out, but it is there. So yeah, 74 years of difference between these two, and pretty awesome. Another bit of snap-on trivia is that this is an F4L, this is an F10, this is an FLF 80. All snap-on 3/8 inch ratchets and tools will have an F in the name, and that stands for Ferret. And Snap-on started calling their 3/8 inch series the Ferrets when they first introduced them, because previous to that, most ratchets were 1/2 inch big and bulky, and they came out with this new, more, quote, compact line, and they named it Ferret because you could ferret out bolts in a smaller space with these tools. So that's the little bit of Snap-on trivia for today. If you enjoy this content, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe. If not, leave it in the comments below. Thanks.